Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you another leaf you can crochet for your fall garland or your leaf garland. And this is it. This is the front and the back. And I just want to show you how you can crochet this. This one is blocked. You can see that the points are a little bit more pointier than when you see the finished result at the end of this video. And then you'll see that this is more rounded. And I do need to stiffen it with diluted glue, wood glue, so that the leaves will be more stiff, and when they are hanging on the garland that they will not be going like this. So that's something I need to do, but I need to find time to do that. So just let's get started. And I'm using the same yarn as this one and a crochet hook of 3mm, and I'll show you today how you make a ring. Mostly I am using the magic circle, but today I want to show you how you can make a circle out of chains, so you can choose what you like to use for your leaves. So when you're making a ring out of chains, just make a slip stitch. And then for this leaf you need to crochet 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in that first chain make a slip stitch. So put your yarn through that stitch and on your hook, on the loop on your hook. So here's your ring you want to crochet in. So for round 1, chain 5. And the chain 5 counts as a double treble crochet. And in this ring we need to make 6 more double treble crochet. So yarn over twice in your ring, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So yarn over twice in your ring, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So do that 4 more times in your ring. And I like to crochet over my tail, so I don't have to weave in that much. But you can also leave your tail hanging like this and then weave in later with a blunt needle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to crochet 1 more double treble crochet. So here's your chain 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double treble crochets. And now chain 3. And then in that circle, in that ring, make 6 more double treble crochets. So here are 6 double treble crochets. You can see the tail I don't have to weave here later, so let's save some time. Now chain 5. In that circle make a slip stitch. So you hook in your circle, drop a loop, and that same loop goes through the loop on your hook. So here's your round 1 of your leaf. And now in that chain 5 you're going to continue to make rounds. In that chain 5 space make 5 single crochets You can also make them in the chains, but I don't like that, so I'm just going into that space, drop a loop and make my single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we need to crochet in on top of these stitches. So over here is your first stitch on top of your double treble crochet. So on that first stitch make a half double crochet, and in the next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a double crochet. In your chain 3 space you're making a double crochet, another double crochet, and now make a double treble crochet. Now chain 2. I'm taking some more yarn so I can crochet easily. Okay, and now what we did over here we need to make it over here. So first make a double treble crochet in that chain 3 space, and then make 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space, in the next 5 stitches, so make sure you're starting here, make a double crochet. So 1, the next make a double crochet, that's 2, next stitch make a double crochet, that's 3, next stitch make a double crochet, that's 4, then the next stitch make a double crochet, and that's 5. So in your next stitch, that's your last double treble crochet, make a half double crochet, and now we are here at the chain 5, so make 5 single crochets in the chain 5 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now at the beginning over here make a slip stitch. So it looks like this now. So for the last round, in the 5 single crochets in the first 4 make a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have one more single crochet left in that stitch, make a single crochet and a half double crochet in that same stitch. So you can make the corner easily. So on top of the next stitches over here, that was your half double crochet, make a double crochet and make another double crochet in that same stitch. So for the next 2 stitches make a double crochet, just 1 double crochet in every next stitch. So here are your 2 double crochets on top of the 2 stitches. Now for the next stitch we are going to make 3 double treble crochets. So yarn over twice, in that next stitch drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In that same stitch make another double treble crochet, and in that same stitch make another double treble crochet. Now chain 2, and in that same stitch make 3 more double treble crochets. All in that same stitch. Grab some more yarn. Okay, so for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches make a double crochet. And then in a chain 2 we are making 3 times a double treble crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we chain 4, and then just do what we did over here. We're going to do it over here. So in the chain 2 space make 3 more double treble crochets, in the next 5 stitches make a double crochet. So make sure that you take your first one over here, your first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In your next stitch make 3 times a double treble crochet, chain 2, and then 3 more double treble crochets in that same stitch. So for the next 2 stitches make a double crochet, and in the last stitch make a double crochet, and in the same stitch 1 more double crochet. So for the next 5 single crochets in the first one make a half double crochet, and in that same stitch make a single crochet, and in the next 4 single crochets make a single crochet. Now over here make a slip stitch and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip that first stitch. In the next one make a slip stitch, and in every other stitch make a slip stitch. So you need to make 5 times a slip stitch on the stem of your leaf. Now cut your yarn and then in the stitch over here, or maybe you prefer this one, but it doesn't matter, just make a slip stitch to secure your stem on your leaf, and then just pull your yarn through that last stitch. Now you only have to weave in your ends, and then your leaf is done. And you can see the difference between a blocked leaf and a just crocheted leaf. So if you are blocking your leaf, then the points will be more pointy, so your leaf will be more crisp. So this is what I want to show you, and I hope you liked it. And I think I'm almost done with the leaves I want to crochet, so I don't know what I'm doing for the next video, so that will be a surprise for you and for me. So for now I just wish you happy crocheting, and if you didn't want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.